What's going on, Japan? Sorry for the lack of vlogs lately, lack of videos. If you've been following this channel, you know that we've been pretty busy moving places, but we just finished our first week here at the new apartment, so thought I'd give you guys a quick apartment tour. Just finished work, came back, and riding the rollers inside, trying to get a quick workout in, but this might be a little too loud, maybe annoying the neighbors, so I'm gonna stop and give you guys a quick apartment tour. First, I'll show you guys the bike room. So this is our exciting new room. We got a room dedicated for the bikes here, so let's go show that to you guys. Alright, so here's the entrance to the apartment. This is called the Genkan. So the entrance, normally you place your shoes there. We got a place to put our shoes, so I'll show that to you in a second. But over here, on the left, once you walk in, we got our bike room. So let's take a look. And a bit messy, as you can see right now. We bought some stands. So we bought these bike stands, which are pretty movable, but don't think those are gonna quite do the job. We're still wasting a lot of space in here, so I bought a couple tools. We'll be planning to make a bike rack here in the very near future, so do it yourself. Should be a fun, exciting project. I'm gonna document it and share it with you guys. But yeah, this is the bike room for now. Bike stand. Most of the bikes are in here right now. We still got two outside right now. But hopefully this will get a little bit cleaner and also use it as a workspace and station to edit videos and study. So pretty nice room. And also got a remote which controls the lights. Interesting thing I didn't know about Japanese apartments, and that is that they don't come furnished with like anything. So you have to buy your lights and everything, so a bit inconvenient, but anyway, moving on. So back to the Genkan entrance here. We bought this shelf here, which is actually a dish shelf at the used market. Only about 1,500 yen, so 15 bucks. But works perfectly for shoes, saves quite a bit of money. And also I got our helmets here so we can quickly grab them when we go for our rides. So nice little normal entrance. Also coming back to the view from when we enter, to the right we have our bathroom. And now we have an actual dedicated room. So we can do our laundry. We've got this nice bathroom sink, which is a first for me. Didn't have one of these for 3 years. Got a mirror and me. Also, new shirts. So we'll be making a more informal announcement video for this soon, but we made some shirts and some products we're going to be sharing on this channel. So if you're interested, stay tuned. We'll make an announcement video for this. So this is Taiyaki Daisuki. Taiyaki is this fish. We eat this a lot on the blog. And daisuki means love or like, so if you like this shirt, give a thumbs up. So yeah, this is really nice. We've got a light here so you can see your face nice and bright up close if you're into that. So normal shower here and separate bathroom, toilet here. Got a nice shelf to put our books and manga so we can read and take our time. So that's the bathroom. Loving it, lots of space. You can change in here and everything, so much better, much good improvement over the last place. Alright, so moving back over to the living room where we just were. This is my cycling rollers, so nice tool that you can use to bike inside, but not sure if I can do that here. Kind of worried about the floor below us if they're gonna make noise complaints. So we also bought this Wonder Core workout machine for Thuong, which she's pretty excited about. This is only about 1,000 yen, so 10 bucks at the used market, so she's pretty excited for this. Ne, mainichi tsukau ne. Kore. Tanoshimi. Alright, so next, let's go to our kitchen area. So our kitchen and living room is combined. Got a nice big fridge here with the freezer down at the bottom, which is pretty nice upgrade from last one. Oven on top, toaster on top. To the left we got garbage bins and a nice rack just to store stuff. I usually make an egg sandwich every day. English muffin, kind of like a Egg McMuffin from McDonald's, one of my favorites. Lots of bananas, banana Banana protein smoothies, also make a lot of those. Just got this Magic Bullet Deluxe blender. So pretty excited for this as well. Got this from the used market, about 4,000 yen. And the fridge is pretty normal fridge. Kitchen area is also really nice. Big sink, nice platform. Not so big, but way bigger than the last one we had. And we also had to buy this oven. So I said earlier that Japanese apartments don't really come stocked with anything. We also had to buy our own gas stove here. So this was another about 1,500 yen plus a few other utilities. We had to buy the hose to connect it in the back. So in total about $150, but now we've got 2 burners over the one, which is really nice. We also use a lot of Vietnamese chili sauce and also this chili sauce as well. Another really cool thing is we've got this shelf kind of area to store all our stuff, which is really convenient. We can just grab it while we're cooking. And also a lot more storage space down here and above, which was very needed. Another useful little shelf here to store just our water kettle and rice cooker. We just bought a bunch of rice, so living together, we go through a lot more rice than just living alone. This thing we brought from our old apartment, but we're probably gonna scrap it, use the wood to make the bike shelf I was talking about earlier. Next, we're going to the main living area, which is connected to the kitchen. So, looks pretty complete. I'm really excited about this. It really feels like it's where we're living, it's our home. We've got the sofa, the table, the TV, and we brought the bookshelf from our old place. Most of the stuff we bought from the used market store that I mentioned earlier. They had free shipping if you spent over $300. The sofa was only $100 used, so a really good deal. Table was only $5, so ichiman yen, 500 yen, 500 yen. And these tables here, which the TV is on, were about $9 each, 900 yen. And excited for the big screen TV. Bought that just for this place, so brand new. It's not connecting the HDMI to my computer, which is a little bit annoying, but we did buy an Amazon Fire Stick, which is pretty cool. We weren't able to use it for most of the first week because we didn't have Wi-Fi, but Wi-Fi just came yesterday. We still got the router lying around here with all the cables. Got to clean it up, but so yeah, we just got our Wi-Fi connection yesterday and got to get these cables cleaned up. Another cool thing in the Japanese apartments, which I didn't have in my old apartment just because it was so small, is these this storage space here. We've got one of these in our bedroom as well. So we got one more room, our bedroom. And these are the awesome Japanese sliding doors. And we bought a lot of these boxes. These are about 1,000 to 2,000 yen brand new at the supermarket, at the store, but used at the used market, we got them for about 100 yen, $1, $2 each. So we saved a lot of money there at the used market. And another cool thing is you can hang these bars up at the top. I'm using some clamps here so we can hang some of our adventure bags. So when we go cycling, we can quickly grab them. And these are really cool. You can just slide these open and out and grab everything you need. So really cool, lots of storage space here. Also feels really cool to do the Japanese sliding door. We've also got our balcony view out here, so moving up from the 3rd floor to the 1st floor is pretty nice. I can't forget about the manga collection. Thuong's reading Dragon Ball right now, so she's really into it, which is exciting. And I'm currently reading One Punch Man, One Punch Man. So let's go take a quick look outside. A little bit messy, but we're also experimenting growing some vegetables right now, or Thuong is. So she calls them her babies. We're growing quite a few different things. Things I'm most excited about is the tomato plants. So you can see this over here. Lots of different things that we're growing. Some seem to be failing already, so lavender is dying, and this was strawberries, but I guess they're really weak to wind and stuff, so the strawberries are dying, but fortunately it looks like the tomatoes are doing well. This is our view from the balcony. We've got lots of restaurants nearby, so some hot nabe, some yakiniku, and surrounded by lots of other apartments. So this is also really cool, about 3 times bigger than our old balcony. And this is the thing for our air conditioning unit. So Most Japanese apartments don't even come stocked with an air conditioning unit. You gotta buy that yourselves. But luckily, ours came with they refurbished a few things before we moved in, so it came with this one AC unit. They don't have central heating here in Japan, so we're not sure if this will circulate to our bedroom or not and everywhere else, but so it might get too hot in our bedroom in the summer, but we'll see. Alright, so that pretty much does it for the new place. So it's been a really busy week just moving in, but really starting to feel like home, especially this nice sofa here. And let's see what Thuong thinks. ね、このマンションの一番良いところ何？一番良いところ？どこが一番好き？ここ。前のマンションより。
リビング。
リビング。
台所広いし、リビングもっと大きいし、楽しみ。
楽しみ。新しい大きいテレビは？
楽しみ。
楽しみ。
まあこの家全部楽しみか。
特に今仕事ないから毎日このソファで座って大きいテレビ見える。
あと1ヶ月だけも。
あと1ヶ月。
毎日楽しみ、my baby.
So yeah, Thuong's she's stuck not being able to work because she's on a tourist visa now, but we'll be applying for her spousal visa, so our marriage visa pretty soon, so she'll be able to work soon. But for now, she's enjoying the non-working life, but she's working hard studying Japanese every day. Anyway, that's gonna be it for today's video, so hopefully this isn't too long. Before we go, I want to show you guys a cool little thing that we've been working on. So I mentioned earlier, we're working on some new branding designs. So this is gonna be the new logo and t-shirts, so Two Wheel Cruise. We're still gonna use the old logo for the videos, but for t-shirts and stuff, made a new logo here. We also got the taiyaki fish here, a couple different colors. We'll be going over these in more detail and sharing these in a later video. If you follow us on Instagram, you'll get access to some news earlier. So go ahead, follow us on Instagram if you're not already, and we'll be making an announcement on where and how you can purchase these. Stay tuned, that'll be in the next video. And as always, thanks for watching. We'll see you next time here on Two Wheel Cruise.